And now to the Biden presidency, and John Dickerson, who is hosting Face the Nation this weekend for Margaret Brennan, is joining us.
And John, a lot of talk about the coronavirus resurgence, the CDC director calling this a pivotal moment in the fight against the Delta variant. And of course, you have doctors joining you this Sunday. What is it you hope to learn from them?
Well, when you talk about the Delta variant, you have to look at kind of two parts of the country, those portions of the country where people have been vaccinated. And what's the debate there? Mostly the argument there is get more people vaccinated. And so when you talk about masks, a lot of local officials will say, it's not that masks don't work. We don't want people wearing masks because it's going to confuse them from the focus of all public health, which should be getting those vaccines into arms. In some of the states where there are a lot of vaccinations, the question of masks has come up again because the Delta variant is so transmissible that there are some areas where they're talking about wearing masks again, even if you're vaccinated. So we want to work through some of this with the doctors we're talking to. And another big question is, when will the vaccine be available in some form for those under 12 years old?
Well, John, our governor here, Ron DeSantis, is not mincing words at all. He says no mask mandates for going back to school here in Florida, period. Does that add to the confusion, you think, around the nation?
Well, in Florida, it may, well, you got a couple of things. One, there is a case to be made for not having a mask mandate because it gets in the way of the important public health message, which is people who can get vaccinated should get vaccinated, not just for their own health, but for the health of others, and particularly for the health of those under 12 who can't get vaccinated yet and who are at risk. And those are the ones, when they talk about masks for those under 12, there have been cases, particularly with this highly transmissible Delta variant, where those under 12 years old are getting it from people who aren't vaccinated. So if you're in a state with a lot of unvaccinated people and a lot of Delta variant going around, then having kids with masks is the recommendation. So with respect to going back to school, that's something that parents are going to want to have to consider. It's different if you're unvaccinated and not wearing a mask than if you're vaccinated and not wearing a mask.
All right, John Dickerson, sounds like a lot of the debates we were having last year before school started are resurging once again now with dealing with this variant. John, thanks so much.
Thank you, John. Look forward to the show. And join John in for Margaret on Face the Nation Sunday morning at 10:30.